How to use AI to create YouTube scripts automatically. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wanted to make YouTube videos faster without spending hours writing scripts? In this video, I'll show you how you can use AI tools to generate professional YouTube scripts automatically, from the title ideas to full narration in just a few minutes. So let's just jump right in. First thing first, you need to open an AI writing tool like ChatGPT, Jasper AI, or Copy AI. These tools are designed to create engaging YouTube scripts with just a few prompts. Once you are logged in, you can write something like your YouTube video title. So I'll just be continuing on with ChatGPT. I've opened ChatGPT right over here. Once you make sure that you're logged in, I can just write something like a 2-minute YouTube script about how to save money as a student. Once you have written your title, you can directly send it and the AI will start generating your introduction, main points, and natural sounding outro automatically. Next, you can also refine the tone and the style to match your channel. So let's just add other prompts like make it sound funny and casual. And once you have done that, you can just tap on send. If you want more structure, you can ask the AI to include timestamps or scenes for visuals. For example, you can add something like add scene breaks and narration cues. This will help you plan your video flow easily. So once the generation is complete, I'll just give this a new prompt. And the AI will ask you itself to make it a Gen Z TikTok style, that faster, more chaotic energy, or you can keep this for chill with YouTube humor. So I'll do something like add timestamps and narration cues. And once you have done that, hit enter. It will automatically generate these timestamps for you. So you can also use Notion AI, Writesonic, or Synthesia to go a step even further. These can not only write your YouTube scripts, but they can also generate a voiceover or AI presenter video based on your script. Then you can finally review your AI output. You can tweak a few sentences to match your voice, and your YouTube script is now ready. That's it. That's how you can fully automatically create a YouTube script using AI. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.